comment, subscribe. Hey guys, it's me, Talia Arisa Gibson. You can call me Tag for short, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be making Korean style corn dogs. Stay tuned and we'll get started. Alright guys, so I have all of my ingredients ready to go, and so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So what I have are some turkey hot dogs. You can use beef, you can use whatever kind you want. I have some panko plain breadcrumbs. I have sugar. I have batter, and I'll explain how I made the batter in a little bit. I have some French fries that I'm gonna cut up, and I have some mozzarella sticks. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to cut up mozzarella sticks. I already have my oil. All right, so I have my first one. I'm going to have one that is just cheese. So let's see if I can get this to go in. All right, stick it in. Try not to break it. So I want one that's just cheese, and then let's see, I'm gonna cut, actually let me open up the mozzarella first. So I'm gonna cut one of the mozzarellas in half, and then I'm gonna cut a hot dog in half. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick one with the hot dog, that on there, right? And then I'm gonna stick in, a cheese, so then I have it like that. Okay, so I'm going to do another one like that. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, the first kind that I'm going to do is just the plain. So the way it works is you dip it in the batter, and the batter is flour. The batter is flour with, I'm gonna get it in there. The batter is flour with baking powder, salt, sugar, and milk. So once I get it in the batter, then I'm going to roll it in the breadcrumbs, and I'll show you. Like that. All right. So then I am going to bring it over here and dip it in the oil. See how it turns out. All right, so I'm gonna take this one out. I'm going to get some of the oil off just a little. Then I'm gonna dip it in the sugar. So that's a part of it being the Korean style, is to dip it in the sugar. And then I'm gonna sit it down. Try it out in a moment. Okay, let's just do another one. Okay. All right, so that was definitely a challenge to do. They didn't turn out exactly the way that I would want them to, but it's a first try. Maybe I'll figure it out. All right, so I'm gonna try one. Let's see. All right. This is my French fry one, y'all. Let's see. Woo. Hot. Woo. Woo. I'm gonna try it with some mustard. Let's try it with some mustard. See how this turned out. That French fry one is pretty good. Doesn't look as beautiful, but the French fry one cooked. The French fries cooked. There's a French fry. Oh. Hot. I want to get them to be nice and pretty. But French fry one, the coating kind of took over on the French fry one. That's the best that I could get them. Mm. Wanna bite? French fries. The flavor is good. I just got to get the process and the look of it better. I think I need to use bigger sausages. So this was my Korean hot dog. It was kind of a fail in presentation, but it was a win in flavor. So it actually tastes really good. So as you can see, I ate 3 of them. Yeah. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will come back. Stay tuned. Hope you liked the video. Let me know some suggestions, anything else that you would like to see me try to make. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post. I'll see you next time. Love you.